Okay, so this is the last section of this week's material. A rational expression is an expression that can be written as the quotient of two non-zero polynomials. Okay, and so let's just take a look at this. Delia is taking a math test. So far, she's answered 18 out of 24 questions correctly. Then Delia's teacher tells the students there are additional questions on the back of the test. Delia answers all of the questions on the back of the test correctly. So we do not know how many additional questions she had. So the teacher didn't tell us how many questions were on the back of the test. But we know that she had answered the number that she answers correctly are going to be whatever the answers on the back of the test are. Okay, and she answered the 18 already correctly. Okay, now the total number of questions is 24 from the front and x from the back, so x plus 24. So how many did she answer correctly? She answered x plus 18 correctly over x plus 24. So it's asking us, what is Delia's original score before she answered any of the additional questions on the back? That would just be 18 over 24, because that would be where x is 0. So if I do 18 divided by 24, that gives me 0.75. Okay, and so if I make that into percentage, I multiply by 100, and that would give me 75%. Okay, then they're asking us, what is Delia's score if she answered all the questions on the back? Excuse me, what is Delia's test score if there were additional 10 questions on the back of the test? So that would mean x is equal to 10. So that means that she answers x plus 18, or 10 plus 18 correctly, so 28. And the total number of questions would be 34, the 10 plus 24. So that means now that she's answered 28 out of 34 correctly. So 28 divided by 34 would be 0.823. So she earned like an 82%. And the next question asks, how many additional questions were on the back of the test if she scored an 85%? Okay, and she answered all of the questions on the back correctly. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that the x plus 18 over the x plus 24 has to equal 0.85. So what are we going to do? We're going to reverse engineer this equation. We're going to multiply both sides by the x plus 24. Okay, when I do that, the x plus 24 cancels out on the left, leaves me with x plus 18. Okay, so then I distribute 0.85x, or times x is 0.85x. There's a point right there. Okay, and 24 times 0.85 is 20.4. Okay, so now I can subtract 0.85x from both sides. Okay, that will leave me with 0.15x plus 18 equals 20.4. So now I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. So I'll have 0.15x equals to 2.4. Okay, and so now I'm going to divide both sides by 0.15. So x will equal 2.4 divided by 0.15, which gives me 16. So that means that there were 16 additional problems on the back of the test. And that's it for this week.